Alright, friends. Today is Thanksgiving, and we got a new toy. This is the 271 Farm Boss by Stihl. Set this scabbard down. I'm too excited. I'm gonna fire it up, let it idle, and we're gonna cut this into some rounds. Let's do it. Alright, so I cut it all into pieces, and I can just say, wow. I mean, look at the sawdust, or the chips. I mean, massive mounds. Just look at this. I mean, compared to what the 180's spitting, which is like this. Still good, but this is amazing. So, the saw itself is a beast. The 18-inch absolutely rips. I was a little bit skeptical of this 50 gauge chain because they changed it to a little bit thinner of a gauge. Nope, not a problem. It just chews through that aspen like no other saw I've used. Bar and chain combo seems fantastic. The bucking spikes are great. Anti-vibe on it is really nice. So yeah, let's look at. Oh yeah, there's some stuff in the sprocket, but I really like the vibration, the springs. Now for something, I just want to see how much fuel we've used. About a half a tank. Maybe a little bit less. Maybe a little less, I think. Bar oil, I want to make sure it's lubricating. Yeah, it's definitely lubricating. Yeah, it is an amazing saw. Holy cow. I'm so happy to have this, and I can't wait to go cut some more firewood with it. Starting, so easy. Full choke, couple pulls, half choke, give it a blip, and then let it idle. It needs some time to warm up like any saw. A minute or so. and then just slowly rev it. I know it took a little bit to get warmed up. Let's look over here, guys. What do we got? Our mechanic Will at Krager's tuned it perfectly. I really like this guide bar logoing. It's sweet. Yeah, it's burning super clean with that Moto Mix. I think the 2 bar nuts are going to be great. And the chain, what I wanted to look at actually, is if the chain loosened up at all. And it has not loosened up, which is great. So, I am super happy with this saw. I mean, I know it's just a couple cuts here, but nice, smooth cuts. It is going to be an amazing saw for what we're doing. And going to have more than enough power. I'm so happy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.